Hey guys, how's it going? I'm setting up this mentoring session for me and Karen right now. I'm gonna go ahead and set up this room real quick. And if you guys have any questions, I'm probably not gonna be able to answer them. I'm just going to be having this this one-on-one with Karen right now. So let me just finish setting up this room and we should be good to go. Hey Karen, how's it going?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing good.
You must be exhausted.
I know it's been a long day today. It's just been back-to-back sessions and
Oh, wow.
lose track of time for something. Sometimes I usually have like a break in between, but for this one it was back to back. So
Oh,
I
boy.
was like literally like just on the clock.
Oh, gosh. Well, hopefully mine will be a bit short. I don't think I have anything too. I just wanted to kind of just go through the strategies and specifically a couple of things on the scalp and like one or two things on the intraday trading. And I had a question for trading view and then one on the FTMO.
Okay, perfect. So let's get started. So which one do you want to cover first?
We'll start with intraday trading. What did I ask? It's actually just a quick question because I'm pretty good with the intraday trading. What I wanted to ask was, does it work well on the 8 hour as well, or you found that the 4 hours the best?
I think it works good on both. I think the higher you go, obviously the more accurate it would be. It's just gonna be a longer move. So like for the 4 hour, you can probably hit your TP within a day or so, or less than a day. But if you go on the 8 hour, that's gonna be a bigger move. So normally we go for like a like 100 pip max on the 4 hour. On the 8 hour, you could go for like a lot farther since it's like double, right? So it's like double the movement.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And then the scalp now, if you want to just run through, I wanted to know if you would have entered one of them that I entered this morning. It worked out for me, but I had a specific question on it. It was the Bitcoin. For me, it was 1,300. So that would have been what? 10?
Are you 2 hours ahead or are you 3 hours?
Three hours ahead.
So that would be, what was the time for you again?
1,300, which would have been.
So that would be about,
10?
About 10 o'clock, 10 a.m.
Right.
Was it on the 10 minute?
Oh, wait, let me bring it back up. I believe it was. I actually have it open here. Let me just rearrange this. Okay. Where did it go? Oh, yes, it was on the 10 minutes.
Okay, perfect. So let's get on the 10 minute. And it was today, right? You said this morning?
Yeah, it was today. Sorry, yesterday, sorry.
Okay, cool. So let's see, 10 a.m. on the 21st, which would be right over here. Oh, so you took this red one, right?
Yes.
Yes. So this is it's a pretty solid entry. So if I go back and just rewind it, it lines up perfectly. So just looking at these zones here, we have the rejection off the pivot and rejection off the structure. So with that said, that's a pretty clean entry. It's a very nice wick. So if you were to take that, I'm not sure what the sweet spot would be for Bitcoin because I don't normally trade it, but
yeah, I don't either.
Yeah, if you were just to put like the normal trading view just to plot it for you and let it run, obviously it would go right through the TP.
Okay.
So this is definitely a very good entry. I wish I would have taken this myself. It was such a perfect entry. It looks like just like perfect rejection off the pivot, perfect off the structure, and spot on.
Okay, perfect. So I know I'm getting somewhere with this. The other question I had, what is the best time frame for scalping the Forex pairs?
Forex pairs. So it would depend on your broker. So if your broker has really tight spreads, then you can do the 10 minute because you can you can lock in like 10 pips or so. But if your broker's spreads are a little wide, some pairs are wider than others. If they're very wide, then I would probably go on the 30-minute, because if your spread is like 7 or 10 pips, it's going to be impossible for you to lock in 10 pips, right? Because you have to cover that in the spread.
Yep. So use a 30-minute. Okay.
Yeah. So most of the time, yeah, I use a 30-minute. But if you're using a pair that has a really tight spread, like maybe UJ or maybe EU, GU,
Right.
and then you can go with something smaller. But for the most part, I think 30-minute would be a good time frame.
Okay. And on TradingView, I can't seem to find how to add the dollar index.
Oh yeah. So the dollar index is just DXY.
I tried finding it, and for whatever reason, let me see how you find it.
Yeah, if you just click on the symbol search right here,
yeah,
type in DXY, it should come up right there, the first one.
Okay, let me try that. I think I was looking differently. Yeah, it doesn't come up for me at all.
Make sure you have this right here checked off on all.
Hold on one second.
Yeah, if you have it just on Forex, it might not come up.
Shucks. Where was that again? Where were you?
Yeah,
oh, all. Okay.
Yeah, just make sure that's checked off, and then type in DXY.
Yeah, it's all, and it still doesn't come up.
That's weird. Yeah, try just.
Found it. I know what I was doing wrong. Yeah. Okay.
Did you have it checked on a different one?
No, there's a little button that says show more.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Yeah. So why doesn't it add though? Oh, I know why I didn't add. Yeah, it doesn't add on my TradingView.
So the DXY is actual assets. When you click on it, it goes to its own
Found
thing.
that too.
Yeah, if you just want to add it to your chart. So say if you're looking at something like I don't know, like your USD. If you want to add the line for the index, you can do that as well. So say for example, you look at something like EU here, and you want to add the DXY to your chart. You just click compare right here, and you want to turn everything else off. But when you have a blank chart like this, you just click compare, and then you type in DXY, and then you can just add the line on your chart down here.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, because you can do this. You can do this too if you like.
Okay.
It's really up to your preference depending on what you're using it for.
Okay, that is fantastic. That makes life so much easier.
Yeah, it actually makes it a lot easier because if you're trading your USD, if it's going up, or it's going down, it's going to be obvious that you should buy.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. And then, yeah, like I said, mine is pretty quick. What was happening is over the weekend, I was watching a lot of the mentoring sessions, rewatching them, and a lot of the questions that I had, you kept answering them throughout. So I just needed to get these things down.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, everyone has the same questions. So it's not it's a lot easier to just, go over that, and then we can clean up whatever else needs to be covered as well.
For the FTMO, if you're thinking of doing whether it's the 50K or the 25K, you still use a one lot, a standard lot?
No, so
I didn't think so, right?
Yeah, on the 100K, I'm using the standard lot. If you're using, obviously the half account size, use half lot size.
And then the 25, you use a 0.25.
Exactly, yeah, and that should be fine for you.
Okay, cool. Oh, that's it for me.
Got it?
Yep, that's it. Pretty sweet. Yeah. Yeah. Rewatching the mentoring sessions just helped a lot.
Yeah, definitely. It helps clear up a lot of things because there's a lot of confusion and a lot of people still aren't understand about things. But yeah, usually in the mentoring sessions, everything's pretty covered. So it's pretty decent out there.
Yeah. Oh, that's it. All of what, 10 minutes?
Right. That was rather quick.
Yep. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I will touch base with you if I need anything further.
Definitely. Sounds good.
All right. Thanks, Emil.
All right. Good talking to you.
All righty.
All right. See you, Karen. Okay, bye.